Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles in Yeeps hide and seek. First, you need to find the waffle iron, which is always located in the main kitchen building. Next, ensure you have collected the necessary ingredients: 2 bags of flour and 1 bucket of milk. These items are crucial for starting your waffle creation process, so gather them carefully before proceeding to the next step. To gather your ingredients, search thoroughly. Flour bags are usually scattered throughout the different houses on the map, so check every room. The fresh milk buckets can be found exclusively near the cow pen, which is part of the farm area. Don't forget to look for sugar cubes, often hidden in pantries or storage rooms, to complete your recipe. Once you have all your ingredients, head back to the waffle iron. Stand close to it and interact to bring up the crafting interface. You will see a list of available recipes. Simply select Waffle from this menu. The waffle iron will then combine your 2 bags of flour, 1 bucket of milk, and sugar cubes to create a delicious waffle. Congratulations, you've made a waffle. Now, enjoy the benefits. Eating a waffle provides a temporary speed boost, helping you evade seekers more easily. You can also share your waffles with other players to earn valuable bonus points. Plus, each waffle instantly restores 15 health points, making them a great item for survival in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.